Hi buddy, welcome to Answers Q. In this video, we'll be seeing a lot of things. So first, let me tell you what we'll be seeing. Scalar Academy is conducting a free masterclass on data structures and algorithms. We'll be seeing about that in this video, and then we'll be seeing about free webinars that is conducted by Simply Learn platform. They are conducting two free webinars for which you can also get a participation certificate. One is on career management and the other one is on how to develop a machine learning career. So they are connecting two free webinars. You can also get a certificate after completing it. I mean after participating in it, and you can also get a certificate after completing this free masterclass offered by Scalar Academy. So we'll be seeing these three things in this video. So let's get started. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly do that first. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that. So you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also visit answersq.com website if you want to know more about free online courses, job offers, internships, workshops, and other online events. And do not forget to check out 100 plus LinkedIn free courses with certificate post in our website. Just head over to answersq.com and at the top you will see a banner like this. Just click on this get now button and you will get a lot of different courses across different disciplines in LinkedIn Learning for free. And you can also get a free certificate after completing those courses in LinkedIn Learning. I hope you like that as well. So now let us get into the content of this video. So first let us see about this free masterclass on data structures and algorithms offered by Scalar Academy. So the title of this free masterclass is Must Know DSA, that is Data Structures and Algorithms, Stacks and Queues to Crack Tech Interviews. So this free masterclass offered by Scalar Academy will be conducted on May 13th, that is on upcoming Thursday at 8 p.m. So the time zone given here is in IST, that is Indian Standard Time. So if you are going to participate in this free masterclass by Scalar Academy outside of India, just convert this time to your local time zone and see at which time it's going to happen for you. So this is in IST, 8 p.m. IST, May 13th. So note the timing and the date. So the instructor for this free masterclass by Scalar Academy will be Mr. Ashray Agarwal, who's an expert competitive programmer and software development engineer at Amazon. And the total duration of this free masterclass is for 3 hours. So this is a kind of short course in which you'll be learning about a lot of things related to data structures and algorithms from a working professional at Amazon. So you are going to get a quality content, that's for sure. And here they have given what you'll be learning in this particular course, I mean in this free masterclass. So you'll be learning about various implementations techniques of stacks and queues, and then you'll be learning about how the computer uses stack internally for recursive functions, and you will also solve along various complex interview questions using the simple data structures that you are going to learn in this free masterclass offered by Scalar Academy. And here you can see that all the attendees will get certificates from Anshuman Singh, who is the founder of Scalar Academy. And make sure that you are giving the details properly when you are registering. I'll be showing you the registration process in next few minutes. Just watch till the end. And here they have given a few pre-watch videos on YouTube. So they have given here a few concept videos like load balancing, CAP theorem, or horizontal versus vertical scaling. So you can just watch these videos if you want. If you are really interested in learning about DSA, you can just go through these videos as well. So now let's see how to register for this free masterclass offered by Scalar Academy on DSA. So just click on this sign up to register button and give your full name, email address, and then provide your phone number, and then just choose whether you are a college student or a working professional, and just click on the sign up button. Or else you can just log in with your Facebook, LinkedIn, GitHub, or Google account as well. So now let me log into my account and catch up after that. So now I have logged into my account. You can see that here, Hi Answers Q. So once you log in, you will see your name here. So now what you have to do is just click on this register now button, and then you will see a registration form like this, in which you have to give all your details like your name, gender, year of graduation, current employer, job title. If you are a student, you can just type in not applicable here in current employer and job title, and you can give year of experience as 0 if you are a student, or else you can just provide your actual years of experience. And then you have to give your college you graduated from. You have to type in your university or college name, and then you have to provide your phone number and just click on this register button. And then you will get a OTP, that is one-time password to the mobile number which you used in the registration form. So you have to enter that OTP here. and click on this verify button. So this is how you need to register for this free masterclass offered by Scalar Academy on data structures and algorithms on the topic of must know DSA stacks and queues to crack tech interviews. So I hope you'll find this free masterclass by Scalar Academy very useful. So now let's move on and see the free webinars that is conducted by Simplilearn. So one is on habits of highly effective engineers, a career management masterclass. So the date for this free webinar is May 13th, 2021, and the time is given as 9 p.m. IST. And note that the time zone given here is in Indian Standard Time. So if you're watching this video outside of India, just convert this time to your local time zone and see at which time it's going to happen for you. And here they have given about the instructor details. So the instructor for this free webinar is Raghavendra Gandadi, who is the head of software development of Tesco. So you are going to learn from the professionals, and here they have given what are the things that will be discussed in this free webinar. So you'll be learning about what differentiates a highly effective engineer from the rest, and the habits of highly effective engineers, and how highly effective engineers build and strengthen those habits and bad habits that that highly effective engineers should avoid. So you'll be learning about all these things from this professional during this webinar. And you can also get a proof of attendance, that is a certificate, by mail after participating in this free webinar offered by Simplilearn on career management masterclass. So these are the details, and we'll be seeing about one more webinar that is offered by Simplilearn in this video, which is how to develop a machine learning career. So this one is taken by Mr. Ronald Van Loon, who is the CEO of Intelligent World and a Simplilearn advisory board member. So all these webinars are conducted by professionals, so you'll be learning about a lot of good things. So make use of it. So the date for this webinar, how to develop a machine learning career, is May 26, 2021, and the timing is again 9 p.m. IST. And know that the time is in Indian Standard Time Zone. So if you want to participate in this event outside of India, just convert this time to your local time zone and see at which time it's going to happen for you. And in this webinar, you'll be learning about the key distinctions between artificial intelligence and machine learning. You'll be learning about the emerging industry trends that are creating demand for ML engineers, and you'll be learning about the specific skill sets that machine learning engineers require, and the education required for ML engineers and the corresponding educational path. And you'll also see the kind of careers that are available for you in the field of machine learning. So these are the things that you'll be learning on this free webinar taught by Mr. Ronald Van Loon. And you can also get a certificate. Here it is. We will mail you a proof of attendance certificate. So after participating in this free webinar offered by webinar Simplilearn on how to develop a machine learning career, you can also get a certificate. So here it is. As I said, you will get a certificate via mail after participating in this webinar. So now let's see how to register for these free webinars conducted by Simplilearn on career management masterclass and how to develop a machine learning career. So the process is going to be same for all these webinars conducted by Simplilearn. So I'll just do it for this one here, how to develop a machine learning career. So to register for this webinar, just click on this button given here, register for webinar, and then you will see a pop-up like this. So here you have to give your email address, and then you have to provide your phone number, and then check this box and click on this save my seat button. So that's it. Now we have registered for this free webinar offered by Simplilearn. You will also get a confirmation mail from Simplilearn like this, registration approved for webinar, and here you will see the webinar title. And similarly, you will also get a mail like this from Scalar Academy for the one which we did earlier, must know DSA stacks and queues by Scalar. So you will also get a confirmation mail like this. So this is how you need to register for these free classes offered by Scalar Academy and Simplilearn. I hope you'll find this video useful. Scalar Academy is conducting a free course on DSA, that is data structures and algorithms, and Simplilearn is offering free webinars on career management masterclass and how to develop a machine learning career. So I hope you'll find this useful. So if you want to get more free classes like this, you can subscribe to AnswersQ and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also visit answersq.com website if you want to know more about free online courses, job offers, internships, workshops, and other online events. And do not forget to check out 100+ LinkedIn free courses with certificate post in answersq.com website. Just go to answersq.com and you will see a banner like this at the top. Just click on get now button given here, and you can get a lot of different courses in LinkedIn learning across different disciplines. And you can also get a free certificate after completing those courses. I hope you like that as well. And you can also connect with me on social media channels like Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out.